Hello and welcome to my video on the surprising benefits of walking and how to walk for optimal health. Walking is one of the simplest and most accessible forms of exercise, yet it is often overlooked or undervalued. Did you know that walking just 30 minutes a day can have significant health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes? In this video, I will explore the many health benefits of walking, including both physical and mental benefits, and share with you tips and tricks for incorporating walking into your daily routine. Walking is a great low-impact exercise for older adults that can help improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles and bones, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Here are some tips on how to walk safely and comfortably as an older adult. 1. Wear comfortable shoes. Choose shoes that fit well and provide good support, cushioning, and traction to prevent slips and falls. 2. Start slowly and gradually increase intensity. Begin with shorter distances and a slower pace, and gradually increase your time and speed as you feel more comfortable. 3. Warm up before walking. Do some gentle stretches to warm up your muscles before you start walking. This can help prevent injury and improve flexibility. 4. Use good posture. Keep your head up, shoulders back, and your arms at your sides as you walk. Avoid slouching or hunching over, which can cause strain on your back and neck. 5. Stay hydrated. Bring water with you to drink during and after your walk, especially in warmer weather. Morning walk refers to a walk taken in the morning hours, typically before or just after sunrise. The air is usually fresher and cooler in the morning, making it an ideal time for exercise. A morning walk can help to energize and invigorate you for the day ahead, as well as help to regulate your circadian rhythm. On the other hand, an evening walk refers to a walk taken in the evening hours, typically after sunset. The air is usually warmer and more humid in the evening, but the atmosphere may be calmer and more peaceful. An evening walk can help to wind down after a busy day, and promote relaxation and better sleep. Both morning and evening walks have their benefits and can be a great way to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. The best time for a walk depends on your personal preference and schedule, as well as the climate and environment where you live. Morning walk has several health benefits, including improves cardiovascular health. Walking in the morning can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Vitamin D production. Sunlight exposure can stimulate the production of vitamin D in your skin, which is important for maintaining healthy bones and immune function. Boosts mood and energy. Morning walk can help stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers, which can improve your mood and energy levels for the rest of the day. Enhances mental clarity and focus. Walking can improve blood flow to the brain, which can enhance mental clarity, focus, and cognitive function. Reduces stress and anxiety. Morning walk can help reduce stress and anxiety levels by promoting relaxation and providing a sense of calmness. Aids in weight management. Walking can help burn calories, which can aid in weight management and help prevent obesity. Improves sleep quality. Walking in the morning can help regulate the body's circadian rhythm, which can lead to better sleep quality and more restful sleep. Strengthens muscles and bones. Walking can help strengthen the muscles and bones, which can improve balance, coordination, and mobility, and reduce the risk of falls and fractures. Evening walks can be beneficial for your physical and mental health in several ways. Here are some of the potential benefits of taking an evening walk. Stress relief. Walking in the evening can be a great way to relieve stress and unwind after a busy day. It can help you clear your mind, reduce tension in your muscles, and improve your mood. Better sleep. Walking in the evening can help regulate your body's circadian rhythm and promote better sleep quality and duration. It can also help you feel more relaxed and calm before bedtime. Improved digestion. Walking after a meal can help stimulate digestion and improve the absorption of nutrients from your food. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular evening walks can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Increased physical activity. Taking an evening walk can help increase your overall level of physical activity and contribute to a more active lifestyle. Social connection. Walking with friends, family, or pets in the evening can be a great way to spend time together and strengthen social connections. Both evening walks before dinner and night walks after dinner can be beneficial for your health and well-being. The best time for a walk depends on your personal preferences, schedule, and lifestyle. Digestion. If you tend to feel heavy or uncomfortable after a meal, it may be better to take an evening walk before dinner to help stimulate digestion and improve your appetite. Sleep. If you have trouble sleeping or tend to feel energized after exercise, it may be better to take an evening walk before dinner rather than a night walk after dinner. Walking in a figure-8 pattern can increase the number of steps you take and the distance you cover, which can help you burn more calories than walking in a straight line. Walking in a figure-8 pattern can be a fun and creative way to add variety to your walking routine and potentially enhance the physical and mental benefits of walking. Avoid headphones during walk. Wearing headphones during walking can be dangerous for a few reasons. One of the main reasons is that it can prevent you from being fully aware of your surroundings, which can make it harder to detect potential hazards such as approaching vehicles, bicycles, or other pedestrians. Wearing headphones can distract you from paying attention to your own movements, making it more likely that you might trip, stumble, or fall. You may also become less alert and less able to react quickly to sudden changes in your environment. Another potential danger of wearing headphones while walking is that they may make you less approachable or less able to communicate with other people. If someone tries to get your attention or ask for help, you may not hear them, which can lead to misunderstandings or missed opportunities for social interaction. Whether you are just getting started with walking or looking to take your walking routine to the next level, this video has something for you. So, lace up your walking shoes and let's get moving towards better health and wellness.
Thank you for being a part of my online community and for supporting my channel. Your feedback, comments, and suggestions are always welcome and help me to improve and grow as a content creator.